Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into the world of detoxification. Yep, we're talking about all those juice cleanses and sustainable detox practices. So let's get started. First up, juice cleanses. They've become super popular as a quick way to detoxify and boost your intake of fruits and veggies. Think of it as a refreshing reset for your body. But here's the catch. While juice cleanses can temporarily bump up your vitamin and antioxidant levels, they're not without pitfalls. Missing out on essential nutrients, blood sugar spikes, dehydration. These are just a few potential downsides. So if you're considering a juice cleanse, it's crucial to do it responsibly. Always consult a healthcare professional and choose reputable brands that focus on nutrient balance. Remember, a juice cleanse should never replace a balanced diet. Now let's talk about sustainable detox practices. Want long-term health benefits? Opt for a balanced, plant-based diet. Think high-fiber foods, healthy fats, and lean proteins. Reducing processed foods and added sugars can do wonders for your body's natural detox processes. But diet isn't everything. Staying hydrated, getting regular exercise, and prioritizing sleep are key players in your body's detox game. And if you're looking to break unhealthy habits, cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, can be a game changer. It helps you identify triggers, set realistic goals, and develop healthier coping mechanisms. Ultimately, sustainable detox practices prioritize your long-term well-being over quick fixes. So next time you think about detoxing, remember to nourish your body with balanced, whole foods and healthy habits. That's it for today's guide on detoxification. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more health tips from Peak Mind Provisions 369. Stay healthy and see you next time.